just learned how to do the pistol squat, and you can too.
Let's go, man. That's it, bro.
So this is me doing the pistol squat, and you want to learn? Well, let's learn together, because I'm still learning, but we gonna do it. So first off, you want to start off with squats, and you know what they say, booty to the plane, you know, or ass to grass, however you want to say. And you can see that, you know, I'm going down as low as possible and nothing is there. So that's what you want to start off with, is just these regular squats and go as low as possible, you know, in order to get that stability there. Because once again, I think that, you know, you innately have the strength, but it's just, do you have the comfortability and the balance and the ankle and probably hip and knee flexure mobility as well, you know. So you got to work on that, and these workouts right here will get you right. This is what I worked on to improve, and I saw a dramatic improvement with mine. So, you know, then you can even like I'm doing here, demonstrating here, do squats with both of your feet together, and that's a little bit more difficult, so you don't have to go down as far as possible. Sometimes you could go, you know, low and then lower and lower, but any height is good, you know, just to start off with. And we're going to improve on that as well with different, more complex exercises like these. Find a ledge, any ledge. Just make sure that ledge can support your skinny, fat, black, brown, or white ass. Or you'll end up like this. Embarrassed, having to tell your wonderful mother how you broke the furniture that she bought you. And you can't even blame it on your godson, nieces, nephews, or your dogs. Because it was you, being a grown-ass kid practicing calisthenics in your crib on your days off. The choice is yours. So let's get back to the ledge. You see I have a little ledge on the side of my house here. You know, you could just step on there and, you know, just do one-legged squats there. You don't have to go as low as possible. Go as low as possible wherever you're comfortable with, and just, you know, steadily increase the depth and increase it, you know, and try to go deeper and deeper, and even kick your leg straight out too, or sway your leg to kind of mimic the pistol squat movement that you're going to have to do in order to successfully complete the pistol squat, right? You're going to have to implement some type of swing of your off leg. So once again here, excuse me, I'm going with another ledge. This time I have a bench right beside my grill in my doghouse, you know, have a ledge that's a little higher. That'll let you accomplish, or that'll let you imitate the pistol squat that you're going to be doing in the future. So I think that this is even better, more advanced, but it's something that you could do, you know, once you graduate from the smaller ledge, go to a bigger ledge. And it could be anything that has a ledge, you know. It doesn't have to be on the side of your house. It doesn't have to be a bench, but just make sure it's stable and secure. Make sure it has some structural stability. You don't want to break things like I've already done. And for those of you that want to, that are more exploratory than others, you know, just be careful if you go ahead and use a chair, man. Please, just be careful. You won't hurt yourself. And that's me there doing the pistol squat. Like I said, it still has a lot more improvement to do, but that's where we're at right now. We're going to keep going and growing, baby. None of us are perfect, right? It's not about always being perfect. It's about getting the technique and keep going and growing, you know? I'm going to be perfect when I'm dead. And what I mean by that is that when I'm dead and gone, I know that I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable enough to know that I gave it all I had until that day came. So, you know, it's not about perfection. It's about giving it your all and trying your best at all times until you can't anymore.
Oh, man.